Dave Porter with Vouch Video. When it comes to foot and ankle problems, I could not be standing with a better doctor. I'm standing with Dr. Shapiro from Bucksbaum Foot and Ankle Centers. Dr. Shapiro has two facilities, one in Warminster and one in Newtown, Pennsylvania. So Dr. Shapiro, if someone's really suffering from major foot pain, they come in to see you. What kind of problems are you facing, and then maybe what are some of the procedures that you tackle to solve those problems?
You know, obviously we'd like to do something conservative first, but also a lot of these patients need surgical care. Obviously a lot goes into it as far as their job, you know, socioeconomic factors that kind of just play onto, you know, is the patient able to take off of work. Generally we see a lot of bunion, hammer toes, pain that patients come in with. A lot of times these things can be managed conservatively, especially if they're children. Things like bunion splints can really help pull the toe back in alignment, and surgery may not even be indicated. Orthotics can help prevent the problem from becoming worse. Padding, just comfortable shoes, can alleviate a lot of the issues. A lot of the patients may need to undergo surgery just due to sometimes the rigidity of the deformity or just not being able to be relieved by conservative care alone. Also warts, we see a lot of warts in children. I mean, we do a lot of different types of conservative care, and I'd say 95% of the time we're able to rid the patient of the warts. However, small percentage of patients have to undergo, you know, a surgical procedure in the office to actually excise the wart from the foot.
I also assume you also run into sports-related injuries that you can tackle. Tell me about that.
Some of the common sports-related injuries that we see are Achilles tendon injuries, whether tendonitis or ruptures, mostly occur to kind of middle-aged weekend warriors, or even some of the younger, very athletic, you know, kids or even adults that we see. There's turf toe, a lot of sprains, strains of the foot in general. Obviously fractures happen during sports as well that we treat and take care of.
Tell me why someone should come here maybe over some other facilities.
We deal with this all day, every day. This is all I deal with. A lot of orthopedists that maybe a patient may go to for a foot ankle injury, a lot of them don't deal, especially the foot. So, you know, coming here is something that we do consistently, and you know you're going to get the best care and treatment for that.
Everyone's suffering from foot problems and ankle problems. Why are these problems seem like they're growing in nature?
I mean, people are working non-stop. They're working 12, 15 hours a day. They're on their feet a lot. Types of shoe gear, a lot of people wearing sandals, flip-flops, very unsupportive shoes, not good for you. Obesity, more and more people are obese than before. It puts a lot more stress on your feet, your ankles, your entire lower extremity, your back especially. We have custom line of shoes from several different manufacturers that are good quality orthopedic shoes, which can definitely help out.
If you're suffering from foot and ankle problems and you're at home and you're in pain, it's really quite simple. Pick up the phone, give Dr. Shapiro a call. He'll walk you through maybe trying to identify what the problem is and really trying to figure out if it's treatable. But ultimately, the best thing would be to come in to ultimately see you. Dr. Shapiro, I would like to thank you for taking the time to share with us. Like I said, if you're really suffering from nagging pains in your feet and ankles, give Dr. Shapiro a call. Thank you.
All right, sure, no problem.